welcome back. I hope you all are having a wonderful day. So I am pretty excited, as you can see from the title down below. Today we have a brand new subscription to our channel, and that is the houseplant box. So there's a beautiful plant in here, so I can't wait to see what is inside. Now I'm going to tell you a little bit about this before we get to opening it, but it did arrive today, so I want to go ahead and get it out of the box. Houseplant box is a subscription offered on Cratejoy. I will put a link down below if you'd like to check it out. And they offer houseplants, obviously, succulents, or even air plants. The houseplant box is $12 a month with free shipping, and it's awesome. I can't wait to see what it is and see my pretty new plant. I mean, it's a plant box. So one thing I do really like, and I did choose this obviously because if you follow me, you know I have Oscar and Otis. They do offer a pet friendly option when you choose the house plant. So that is really important to me because I don't think they're gonna go chewing on them or sniffing them or doing anything, but just in case, I did go with the pet friendly option. So that is super awesome that they do offer that. Now, like I said, I will put a link down below. I do want to remind you guys, we have our 4,000 subscriber giveaway going on. That link will be down below, so definitely check that out if you have not already. Also, we still have the Jeffree Star giveaway going on and the Snack With Me box giveaway going on, where you can win a free month from Snack With Me box. So check out those videos as well. But let's get this baby out of this box and see how gorgeous it is. I'm so excited. All right. I just hope it was like handled easily in shipping. That's like my fear, being that it's a plant. All right, so this is what I see when I open it. Now it looks like there's actually an air plant in here as well. This little guy right here, which is super cute. I don't really even know what to do with air plants. Do you guys? Let me know if you know, because I don't. And I did not know that this was going to be in here. So, I mean, it's cute. It's different. So we have an air plant. I don't know much about air plants. All right, so that's just like a packing slip. Let's see if it tells us anything. All right, so yes, it does. So this is actually the July box. All right, so, oh, okay, so this tells us like even how to take care of it. That is awesome. All right, so what we got, oh, okay, so I got a free air plant. It says that right there, free air plant. Sansevieria, origin is West Africa, light place, so it's like a snake plant is what it's saying. And the temperature, it likes to be between 40 and 85 degrees, so that would work obviously indoors. Allow soil to dry completely between waterings. Be careful not to overwater this plant. And place your snake plants in indirect light, although they are tolerant of a variety of light conditions. And then it says common issues: burnt leaves, they need less sunlight; mushy leaves, less water. So that is everything it says here on the card. And then air plant care: bright but indirect sunlight, water like mist. Plant 2 to 3 times a week. If plant looks dry, fully submerge in water for 30 minutes, then shake off excess water. Provide enough air circulation and sunlight for the plant to dry in 4 hours or less to avoid rotting. Temperature is between 50 and 90 degrees. So there's that. But don't I need like I need a container or something, don't I, for the air plant? You gotta let me know. I don't know anything about air plants, so let me know about that down below. I do like that they included it. I don't have one. I think it's super cute. So let me know about that, but let's take a look here at my plants. I can already tell you I like that this is like a tall plant. I mean, I do like some short plants, but I like the tall ones. I guess I just like tall things. My husband's 6'4", so. They've like glued the, can I slide it out of this? Oh, it looks pretty. Can I slide it out? Okay, it'll go up. We'll do it this way. Oh, that was much easier. Oh, it's cute. Okay, so I like this because I was worried about soil falling everywhere, so that's awesome. The soil is actually still moist. That is fantastic, but look how beautiful this is, you guys. Oh, I gotta find a cute little planter. How adorable. I love this. This is so cute. I mean, and you can't beat that, you know, for it to come to your house and kind of be a surprise of what plants you get. Apparently sometimes they will include like a free little air plant or something. I did see it say sometimes they even throw in like a free actual like pot or fertilizer, things like that. So that's a nice touch. And it's only $12, and like I said, it's free shipping. So I'll definitely put that link down below. So head over and check out my houseplant. On Cratejoy, I'm gonna find a cute pot for this to go in and rehome it and find a place to put it. So let me know your thoughts down below. Again, don't forget about those giveaways. If you're new, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you. I hope you all have a fantastic day, and I'll talk with you with the next one. Bye.